Hello, dear friends. I am Dr. Surinder Pal Singh. Today, I am talking about the real causes of the pandemics or the autoimmune diseases or many other types of diseases. The pathogens that are the disease causing organisms are the bacteria, the viruses, or many other microorganisms. They attack the human beings, the birds, and the plant kingdom. The pathogens are the guests. They may be called the parasites, and we are the host for them. Any microorganism enters the human body just to complete its life cycle. They never attack us to kill us. They are never offensive, but we are always defensive. We have a very good defensive mechanism in our body to fight for any foreign body that enters our human body. The healthy human beings cannot get any disease, maybe bacterial, viral, parasitic, or fungal. If we are living naturally on this planet as all other species are living, we are on our natural diet and we are not stressed, we would not be moved by any epidemic, any endemic, or any pandemic. A man who lives naturally in accordance with the natural order and on a diet which suits him will be free from most of the diseases. We, the human beings, are naturally herbivorous. We are eating the vegetables, the fruits, the cereals, the pulses. These are our natural source of our natural diet. Nuts are also a part of our diet. We would never suffer from any disease that attack the masses in general if we are on our natural food, on our natural diet. The pandemics are seen to spread in those countries or in those areas where the masses are not living on the natural diet. They are eating stale food, they are eating animal food. The pandemics would never affect where the people are working physically, as it has been seen that pandemics become fatal for the people who do not work physically most of the time, but they are always working mentally, neglecting the physical body. If we are fulfilling the biological needs of the human body, naturally we would never suffer from most of the diseases. Today, all around the world, many people are living as perverts, are living with unnatural sexual urges. It is a universal law that negative pole attracts the positive pole and the positive pole attracts the negative pole. But the same poles, the negative or the positive always repel each other. But in these days, this very life, this very lifestyle has become very uncommon, because we are seeing that some people are living in unnatural ways. So it can be said a heterosexual person, one who enjoys his sexual urge naturally and thus is not prone to many unnatural and these diseases. A man who is heterosexual is a person who is attracted to the opposite sex. A male is attracted to the female, a female is attracted towards a male. That is heterosexual behavior. But if the same gender attracts the other of the same sex, that may be called unnatural. These diseases, which otherwise do not affect the humanity in general, they are seen most in these types of people who are living unnaturally. Nowadays, many new autoimmune diseases have been discovered in the past few years due to our abnormal sexual behavior. The bacterias, the viruses, and the other microorganisms are the guests, and we are their hosts. No guest can kill his host unless the host is unhealthy, depressed, and living unnatural life. So remain healthy, remain happy, and remain energetic, and you are naturally immune to many pandemics and many autoimmune diseases. Thank you very much.